In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your state tax refund in TurboTax. If you've already filed your return and you're waiting for your money to arrive, checking your refund status is a simple way to stay updated. The good news is that TurboTax makes it easy to get to the right place, and from there, your state's official tax website will give you the most accurate status available. To get started, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax refund tracker page. This is the main place where TurboTax helps you check the progress of your refund and find the right tracking tools. Once your federal tax return has been accepted, look for the option that says, Look up State Refund and click it. This step is important because state refund tracking usually becomes available after your return has been accepted, not just submitted. Next, select your state from the list. Make sure you choose the correct state where you filed your return, since each state has its own tax agency and its own refund tracking system. After that, you'll be redirected to your state's official refund tracking page. This is where your actual state refund status is provided. Keep in mind that the page may look different depending on the state, but the process is usually very similar. Once you're on that page, click Check Refund, or the equivalent button if your state uses different wording. Some states may say something like, Where's my refund or refund status? So just choose the option that lets you continue to the tracking form. You'll then need to enter the required information. This may include your social security number, zip code, refund amount, and any other details the state asks for. Be sure to enter everything exactly as it appears on your tax return, because even small mistakes can prevent the system from finding your refund. When you've filled everything in, click Check Your Refund. The system will process your information and display your current refund status. Now, review the status carefully. Depending on your state, you may see that your refund has been received, is being processed, approved, or already issued. Some states may also provide an estimated issue date, while others may only show the current stage. If the status doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes state systems take a little time to update, especially during busy tax season. In that case, you can come back later and check again using the same process. Thanks for watching.